Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well, or maybe you are not. Who knows? I don't know. The fact that most of my audience use Linux makes me wonder what are the health problems you might face, or what are the health improvements you might face just because you are using Linux. Today, we shall discuss about the twisted world of Linux, exploring some unexpected ways it can be proven bad for your health. Yeah, I've decided to. The first one is a very common disease called the terminal strain. This infamous creature, which crawls into a lot of Linux elitists and, and hallucinates into a lot of Linux beginners, is proven to kill more people than COVID 19 has ever killed, which should give you an idea of how dangerous this disease is. Picture this: you are a Linux enthusiast sitting in front of your computer typing away with an agility of a piano, but wait, suddenly you realize you have been hunched over your keyboard for hours, contorting yourself into the shape of pretzel. Yes, the terminal strain has struck. The next disease we are going to talk about is called the command line confusion. Yeah, I actually could think of a bit. Now let's talk about this again. Linux lovers swear by this piece of creature, claiming it's a magical realm of power and control. But for the normal mere mortals who use Windows, it's like deciphering an alien language. Imagine entering a simple command and accidentally wiping out your entire hard drive. That kind of shitty thing can only be done by a Windows person. I mean, yeah, let's be honest. That's a shitty thing. And if you do that, you deserve to erase your own stuff. Let's talk about the next disease, the dependency dilemma. Yes, this disease probably has struck to most people in the Linux community itself. And I'm going to be honest, I am still suffering from this disease. The dependency dilemma is wherein you still think that although you have deleted a package, some dependencies or some data of that package exists somewhere bloated, taking up space from your system, completely wasting your system and hence bloating your computer, making it more like Windows, taking away a part of your life. This is a Linux user's best frenemy. Yes, frenemy. If you install a new program and get ready for thrilling adventure through a maze of dependency, you have passed through the first test. But then going through the anxiety of then deleting the packages and then maybe having that one package which you have not deleted and further bloating your system, that anxiety is enough to kill more people. And then finally, the last but not the least, distro dilemma. Let's talk about the multitude of Linux distributions are slapped upon just when we enter into Linux world. There are more flavors of Linux than there are atoms. There are more Linux distribution in this earth than there are Avenger movies and sequels and seasons and whatever there are. Honestly, I don't watch a lot of Avengers, so spare me. Choosing one can be an existential crisis. Many of them include the great existential crisis of Ubuntu, which happened in 2007, the great deserted Linux world of 1919, which happened in 1919, and now the great anxiety of getting slapped by all sorts of distribution, which is happening now. Yeah, I'm running out of video ideas. So there you go, everybody. Linux is an unhealthy piece of operating system. From the terminal strain to dependency dilemmas, it's a wild ride. No wonder thousands and thousands of people died from these kinds of disease which Linux spread. And if you still think that this video is completely serious, then I would just highly suggest you to just suck on some lollipops and sleep. Yeah, no puns intended. Yeah. Subscribe, join the membership. Goodbye. Sorry, goodbye.